Hello fire signs, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. Welcome to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India. Bharat, Namaste. Let's start with your reading, okay? And the message that is coming, and this is going to be right from 30th of August 2021 and beyond, which is so on. Alright, let's hear them out, what they have to say. For Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, it's like no backing, which is no one over here. It's in particular you're going to win certain situation. The deal is going to be beautiful, and whatever it is, the deal is going to be done, which is it's going to be confirmed. I heard the last brick in the wall, and I feel it is something that was hard to overcome, that was hard to understand, but the situation right now is that you are not taking the step back. The decision that you have done, something is undeniable, unavoidable, okay? And you're ready, okay? So fire signs are going in for that. Some of you are having construction business and it's going to be very well made. There's a wall that is very strong. Some of you are checking the stuff, ingredients, what we check in, like for the cream or the lotions and all that stuff. Just the way you are checking that, all to-do list and what went, what gone, miscellaneous expenditure that is connected with the business projects and all that stuff. So some project is completing here, I feel. It's accomplishing, it's a wind up, okay? And literally it's done. Something is going to be done, which is very good. All the hard work, it will pay off. And it has to do a lot with finances here, work related, and I see big deals being done, contracts, bonds, signatures here, which is again very good. And whatever was lingering on, you're going to have that. And last brick in the wall is also about your decision. That's it. It is like it is what it is, that's it, okay? I also see some of you are completing certain kind of mending in the relationship or relationships. It's like you're making it more strong. That's what I see, and that's why you're checking the ingredients. Look, something will be accomplished. Ace of Pentacles. It's like laying the foundation for something beautiful. The opportunity that you got, or this is about the paycheck or some amount that and it's not about just amount. It is like big amount. Like that's what I said, the deal. So the contract and something that is going to lay the foundation for the big thing to happen in the coming time. It's like big amount coming your way. Something is going to be flourishing here. Relationship, sincerity I see, also work related, definitely Ace of Pentacles is here, okay? So the deal is going to happen, which is going to be on a broader note, okay? And a lot will be communicated well. It's also taking stand for what is mine, kind of. So it's going to happen, registration, contract, sign, and all that stuff that involve that kind of thing, okay? Some of you are starting your business and it is going to boom well, because this is like as single person, like individual, you are starting something. So maybe you just started like just be you be you in the business, and now you can see the expansion of something. There's expansion I see. So may it be again work related or love related situations, twin flame soulmates and connections. So all your focus will be on Ace of Pentacles. All your focus will be on your work or certain project that is on right now, and you're going to focus on that, okay? Making things right. Okay. Last brick in the wall. Not here, not there. This is it. So some of you are saying, look, I love you. This is it. So you may hear, you may do it for someone. I also see certain kind of art here, like something is being carved or designed for you. You're paying for that. I see equality. It's a beginning. It's dare. Some of you are dare. It's like dare to love, kind of, or dare to start, okay? And it is about both the sides, or maybe you're dealing with people who are two-faced, or they try to make you fool, and it's not going to happen if they did ever, okay? Ever. It's also some of you have decided that what their actual face is, which is about the reality check, and now you're focused on what is right and you need to do it. Your decisions are like the brick in the wall, and that is not going to go anywhere, and it's like something that you're not going to no, you're not going to get manipulated here. You're going to be fixing your ideas and your emotions at one place. You know where you need to confess things, where you need to stop. There's a marking of the line here. That's what I see. With the Eight of Cups energy, you are not returning to something that made you possible fool, or made you feel like that way. Who took, like, this is also the energy when I say fool means someone who took you for granted. Maybe yes, those words are coming here. So this is about dare not energy also from your side, and it is like where you're coming from. Don't play with me, okay? So you did something here, dare to, and you figured out the person's vibe, the energy, what was the reality, okay? Did they ever love me? Okay, this, look, you're drawing the line. So it is like, don't take me for granted. I'm drawing the line, and don't make me feel empty and hollow, because they did. They took something that was yours, and now you're not going that way, okay? Someone who was connected with you. Now this can again be from your some family, business partnerships, or siblings, or big family businesses, or relationship related. Drawing the line. Something that you're going to be clear about. And you're not going to allow anyone, and you're not going to ruin your own decisions in the present. Because someone is playing hard or played hard here, which was bad. Like, they were showcasing that smile, which was exactly not that. And even if you try to figure out, they are all the same, they're just like Joker. Like they were wearing masks, okay? Like, it's very difficult to figure out this person or the persons. Some of you have two energies who made, they used your vibe. Now here you go, you have King of Spades energy in your present. I heard loving vibe, so this may be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Again, this is about your own aura of taking strict actions and being specific. Rude at times if you need to, but more of like cold, okay? No action, no reaction kind of, because you need not to. It's also about something that you have decided, again, last week in the world, something you have decided, and you're going to go that way. Someone may act as if like they're going to play smart, but it's not going to work. And if this is love related thing, then again, you people are focusing on certain decision here, which is again, you're not getting into that play, okay? What is this King of Swords is trying to say? You're learning patience, or you've learned patience. Some of you are not talking to this Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Look. Some of you are not talking. King of Wands energy on King of Swords. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius vibe. You fire signs, okay? But some of you are connected with this person. And you learned patience, what I said, and you have Seven of Pentacles energy beneath. You've learned the art of not letting things create problems for you in the now, okay? Facing. Some of you are partners here. The bond, the strength here. Let's see in the future. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, in the future, what is going to happen? There are many like official things happening here. Business related, big businesses, work related, organization, money related. There are so many, I can't take it. But I feel like emotional bait, distancing, and within emotions and work related. Again, designations and the positions. It's all about that. Let's see in the future. Okay, that's your card. Four of Wands. That's your card. This is about coming out of hold situations, because in your future, this is the strength. It is again, when you see in the tarot world, it's 11-11, like wands are standing. Four of Wands energy is all about home, the now, stability, business related, buying something, selling something, getting in control, stabilizing, okay, decisions, certain events. This is event related with property as well happening. And you have also love related thing here. Strong couple here I see for some of you. Two of Cups is about never alone, never far. So even if we are far, we are not far. So we are meant to. So Two of Cups is, that's what the energy is giving me. Like usually it is like Two of Cups, okay, reunion. But apart from that, this is what, we are never away, never alone. We are together. Let's see in the future, like what is coming for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I see like it's though connected with the pleasure seeker kind of card. It flipped, but was not the time. But the energy is all about that. Do not go in with that flow of people who are trying to manipulate or convince you, because there are going to be many energies who will try to convince you. Some of you are having enjoyment with same thought as you guys, like you people enjoy time together, like you know, if it's any work that you do together, the group, the team and all that stuff, if it makes sense. Okay, so the card is like this. Okay, the stress that is coming with this or was connected with this will going to release. So basically money is coming your way. I said so, I talk all about money, all about money. Okay, so this is about even home, money, lot of like there's going to be a lot of money coming in your future because of businesses, properties, divisions, partitions, or just, you know, something is happening here which is profitable, big profit. Okay, luxury. But some of you are acting smart. Don't act smart, go with the rules. Okay, because this Ace of Pentacles is the biggest thing here. If you say something, do it, stick to that. Otherwise there's going to be reshuffling. So if you don't want the reshuffle, just stick to what you said. What is coming in the future for Aries, Leo and Sagittarius? Some of you will have to share the amount, share the money, share the things that you'll have. But in your future there's hope. Okay, but don't stay just blindfolded here. See, take action. Don't feel like the photograph will come in the frame itself, or if I'm going to wait here. Don't. Okay, don't wait, do the work. That's what last brick in the wall. If you, or don't feel like I've done my part. No, you need to put up with something, like, you know. So, but hope is here. So there's a lot of hope connected with your money, stability, home and everything here. Apart from that, there's going to be sharing, so you can't have it all. So some of you who are trying to act smart kind of energy, you can't have it all. Okay, so don't do that. Don't even try. So there's a decision. Look, Magician. Someone may try to trick or play smart, or, you know, manipulate or convince and all that stuff. More of manipulation. Don't try to do that. It's the energy of as above, so below. So it's like watching. Universe watches you. If you, what you do here will be counted up there, and karma is real. Okay, so Magician is something that you're going to invest in, do everything. The last brick in the wall is also this energy. All the sources, take right actions. Okay, take right actions and convey the truth. Don't confuse energies and don't confuse yourself. Seven of Cups is like a lure situation. Don't get lured. Don't act smart. So if you are doing it or some other energy is doing it, involved in this process, don't go that way. So Seven of Cups is all about that this is bringing everything out of that storm that was kept blurred from you, or you were keeping that. However this fits you. Okay, so don't get lured by, you know, I want this, I want that. Just be with the right thing and right decision. Okay, and this Seven of Cups is, this may give you lure, this may, you know, confuse you, this may create that aura, but choose what is right for you, because there will be options always. Judgment is the second call here, or call back. So you maybe you'll be on calls lately talking about the deals and all this stuff, or some matter. This is also right time when the justice will be served. Okay, so take right actions. Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.